Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore how Python runs your code from start to finish. If you have ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you write and run a Python script, this video is for you. We will look at each step, starting with your source code and ending with the CPU executing the instructions. Let's get started. Step 1. Python script. The process begins with the Python script you have written, such as helloworld.py. This is your source code written in a high-level language that humans can understand, but computers need to translate it into something they can execute. Here comes the step 2. Compilation into bytecode. Next, Python compiles your source code into bytecode, an intermediate form that's closer to machine code but not quite. This compilation step happens automatically within the Python interpreter, so you don't need to worry about it as a developer. Step 3. Python virtual machine, in short PVM. Once Python has generated the bytecode, it passes that bytecode to the Python virtual machine or PVM. The PVM is part of the Python interpreter and its job is to execute the bytecode step by step. Step 4. Operating system and hardware interaction. As the PVM executes the bytecode, it makes system calls to the operating system for tasks like interacting with hardware, managing memory, or printing output to the screen. The operating system, in turn, communicates with the CPU and other hardware components to get these tasks done. In conclusion, your Python script is first compiled into bytecode, which is executed by the Python virtual machine. The PVM interacts with your operating system to execute the program on your computer's hardware. I hope this short video gives you a clear picture of how Python works behind the scenes. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into programming concepts. Thanks for watching.